Hello everyone, welcome from Pi International Education. In today's video, we will be looking at a couple of tips and tricks for your GED test, hopefully to make your GED testing experience a little bit smoother. So in today's lesson, we're going to be going across a term called generalization. So this is a term which is pretty often used in a couple of questions for your GED test. This can be synonymized with other words such as summarize. So a lot of your questions will ask you to generalize or find out the generalized statement for a particular context. So to understand this a bit better, let's look at a question to see how exactly we have to perceive the word generalization and apply it to our practical tests. This is an example of a sample question which has the word generalize in it, or generalization. Now, the question says, which of the following is a valid generalization? So the word generalization is the same as a summary when it comes to GED questions. Let's say this is the context. This is the passage which will be provided in your GED test. Let's say there are 1, 2, 3 paragraphs talking about a particular topic. Now, these paragraphs talk about different things. As we know, the main purpose of creating paragraphs is when we talk about different things. So if you have certain things which have similarities or common factors, you include them into one paragraph. And then when you want to switch to another item, you transition to another paragraph. So the passage contains 3 different paragraphs here. And then you have 4 different options. Now, your correct answer for this question will only be that sentence which is a summary or generalization of all of these paragraphs. In your actual test, let's say option A is pertaining to first paragraph. So option A contains a statement which is present in the first paragraph. So there is no way that you can say that this is incorrect, because this is definitely correct. It is written in the passage, but it will not be your correct answer. Why? Because the entire passage focuses on these 3 contents from these 3 paragraphs. So your answer will be only that statement which generalizes or summarizes the contents of all these 3 paragraphs. So even though option A is absolutely correct, this will not be your correct answer, because this is talking about specifically one of the 3 parts of the passage. Similarly, B and C will not be your correct answers as well, because these are talking about only these portions of the passage. D, however, is a statement which summarizes everything that was said in paragraphs A, B, and C. So D will be your correct answer. So here we are looking at a statement which summarizes or generalizes everything that was provided in the text in each of the paragraphs. So pay attention to the question, especially pay attention to questions which contain the words generalization or summary in order to find out effectively your correct answer. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and best of luck for your GED test.